Hello, and welcome to this introduction to Techivation M-Clarity. M-Clarity is a dynamic plugin designed to remove muddy, boxy, and harsh frequencies from any sound source. It uses spectral shaping technology, which helps with enhancing the overall tonal balance and clarity of the sound. It offers superior capabilities for audio mixing, mastering, and editing with enhanced accuracy, transparency, and sound quality. Let's take a look at its different features and then check how it can enhance an audio track. The main control in the mClarity is the suppression. It controls the amount of reducing specific frequency components within an audio signal. This is done to minimize unwanted characteristics such as harshness, muddiness, or boxiness in the sound. By applying selective suppression to certain frequency ranges, mClarity allows you to enhance the overall tonal balance and clarity of an audio track. The second main control in the mClarity is the intensity knob. It refers to the strength or aggressiveness of the processing applied to the audio signal. It controls the scale of resonances the plugin targets. At low intensity, it suppresses fine spectral peaks without affecting the overall contour, while at high intensity, it looks for larger, more wideband resonances. Then, we have the focus, which controls how selective the plugin is. At higher settings, only the strongest resonances will be affected. Let's try these effects on a soundtrack. As you can hear, the more we turn the suppression knob, the cleaner the mid-range in the soundtrack becomes. Let's listen to the track with the mClarity engaged, and then without it. There are two different modes you can choose while using the mClarity, the soft and the hard. They allow you to choose between aggressive and more precise, or gentle and smoother processing, depending on your specific audio needs and the desired outcome for the sound. You can use the frequency range slider in mClarity to identify and apply the plugin's effect to the problematic frequencies in your tracks. Click on the filter button to only hear the selected frequency range you set in the frequency range slider and move the slider to find the unwanted sounds you want the plugin to fix.
And I couldn't find any stars in the sky tonight, so I...
Then click the filter button once again to disable it. After applying the effect, you can click the diff button to listen to the frequencies that the plugin is removing and cleaning out. The attack and release parameters in mClarity are associated with the dynamic processing of the audio signal. Unlike most dynamic processors, you can set both attack and release in mClarity to 0 milliseconds without any distortion, which gives you more precise and aggressive processing for cleaning your audio tracks more effectively. In the mClarity, the gain control adjusts the output volume of the processed audio signal. As mClarity uses the spectral shaping technique, the input signal level does not have a direct effect on the processing. Therefore, there is no need for an input control in the plugin. Let's try using the mClarity to enhance a vocal track.
And I couldn't find any stars in the sky tonight, so I wished upon a satellite. And I couldn't find any stars in the sky tonight, so I wished upon a satellite to take me back to those golden days when the evening slipped away and I couldn't find any stars in the sky tonight, so I wished upon a satellite to take me back to those golden days when the evening slipped away and I couldn't find any stars in the sky tonight, so I wished upon a satellite to take me back to those golden days when the evening slipped away as tonight, so I wished upon a satellite, wished upon a satellite.
Eliminating muddiness, harshness, and boxiness from sound can be a challenge, but with mClarity, our distinctive spectrum shaping technology enables precise audio balancing while preserving essential frequencies. Thank you for watching this video.